up guys, welcome back to my channel. The Bang Boy over here with another new song from Sara Kays, which is chosen last and got a nice instrumental play on the guitar. And I likely want to show you pretty much everything going in the song, and though there's nothing much to learn over here, but still let's get started. It's actually pretty easy to play. Capo on the second fret to avoid the bar chords we had, so we got the capo on the second fret. Now just have a look at the structure. We start off with the intro, verse, pre-chorus, chorus. Then we have the next verse, next pre-chorus, the chorus, then a instrumental. Then we have a chorus, and then we have an outro, and that's it for the song. So we have the intro to learn, verse to learn. I'm just gonna show you everything in a minute. Firstly, have a look at the chord shapes. Now the first chord is actually A major, which is mute, open, second, 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 open. What you can do is sometimes if you just lift off your pinky from the second fret of the B string, it's a A+2. It sounds decent over here, but I'm not going to use that variation in this song, but just know it will be good for you. So A+2. Now what you're going to do is, it's a A major, you play it like this. Just going to lift off your ring finger over here and just going to put your index on the first fret of the G string, so it becomes a mute, open, second, first, second, open. It's an A major 7. So we got the octaves over here, but we just play that 7 over here. So we got 1, we got 2. What the hell I'm saying? We got mute, then open, then second, first, second, open. A major 7. Then a D major, which is mute, mute, open, second, third, second. And make sure you get your thumb to mute the top E and A string, and then we have a D minor. You can play mute, mute, open, second, third, first. You can use your pinky, you can use your ring finger, but for the D major, when you're just gonna change from the D major to D minor, it's actually good to have your ring finger over there. Otherwise you have to change the whole shape. And most of you guys are actually excited to learn that instrumental, so let's begin with that, because that actually goes like a couple of times with the song. 50% of the song this actually goes in the background. Have a look at the tab. I actually pick the A. I hold the A major chord. Just hold the A major chord, and you pick the A string and the high E string together, and you pick that together with your thumb and with your ring, so you can see everything. And after that, you're just gonna play the second fret of the B string with your middle finger. And after that, you're just gonna quickly keep your hand on the string to get the sound of the chord meter. It's like 1 and 2, 1 and 2. After that, you will pick the A string and the B string open. So you got. And then you'll pick the second fret on the G string with your index finger. And after that, you will actually use a pinky now. So play first open B string with your middle finger, and then you'll add your pinky on the second fret of the B string. So you got. Play it open, then you will do with your pinky. This one is just a little bit fast because there's a bit rhythm over here. It's a 2-2 open on the B string, and you play back. I'll go back to playing that G string second fret. So you got. So notice that da 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 da, 1 and 1 and 1 and now. So you got. That's it. Now we come to the song strumming and all. So let's have a look at the strumming pattern, the rhythm and all, because that actually goes throughout, same throughout the whole song. Doesn't matter what the part is, actually goes on. So it's actually down, up, down, up, down. So it's a down, up, up, down, up, up, down. So very simple. Down, up, down, up, down. Down, up, down, up, down. Down, up, down, up, down. That's it. First down, what you can do is you can just emphasize on that. You can just go a bit louder, like up, down, down, up, like that. Down, up, down, 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 up. So keep your hand on the string and just try to practice that for a minute. Alright, let's move on to the intro. We have the A major chord. For the intro, we just have the A major chord and we play the string pattern twice. So on the A major, down, up, down, down, one more time. And then you move on to the verse. And for the verse, the chord progress will be A major, then a D major, then again an A major, then a D major, and after that you just go to the pre-chorus. Now over here you're just gonna again play the string pattern twice for each chord like the intro. So we got down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. They come to the pre-chorus, and unlike the intro and verse, over here the chord progression changes a little bit, and we're just gonna play the string pattern once for each chord. You can see in the screen. So we get started with the A major, then you move on to the A major 7, then a D major, then a D minor. I told you before, again I'm telling, play the string pattern once for each chord, pre-chorus done. So let's play 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And you just play that once for the pre-chorus and then you move on to the chorus. So let's play that one more time so that it will be crystal clear for you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're just gonna move on to the chorus, and for the chorus, our chord progression is like the pre-chorus. It's a A major, then a major 7, then a D major, then a D minor. But it's actually again correlated to the verse and intro. The string pattern goes twice for each chord, so there's a relation between the pre-chorus and also the verse over here. Like the chorus, the string pattern is equal to that of the verse and intro, and the chord progression is equal to that of the pre-chorus. So A major 7, D major, D minor, play the string pattern twice for each chord and you're actually done. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. D minor. Last time. And that's almost everything you need for this song to play on guitar. So hope this helps you out, and if, then make sure to drop me one of these. Subscribe, because I just wanted to reach 2K subs as fast as possible. So make sure to hit that subscribe button. Drop a comment down below any other song that you want on guitar, and I'll see you guys back in the next video. Till then, bye.